Hello everyone, welcome back.
Hello.
Today we are here for strawberry picking.
Yes.
Yay, I'm so excited.
This is a strawberry farm.
Wow.
Let's go for strawberry picking. So we have collected one basket fresh strawberries from farm, and this strawberry farm is in Chikkaballapur. Entry fees 200 rupees per person, and you'll get the basket. You can collect the strawberries for about 1 hour and get it weighed, and based on weight you have to pay per kg 400 rupees. It was fun, right?
Yeah, I'm sure these will taste yummy.
We already tasted few. Alright, so all the details of this farm are there in the description box. It is a lovely day out with your kids. Do give it a try, and strawberry picking is available till March. That's all for today. See you.
Bye.